Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a client company and invite client users into projects. Alright, first up, go ahead over to the top right, click on the gear icon. Now go ahead over to manage users right here, click on it. Now here we have client users. Okay, so first up, as you can see here are some businesses, okay, or companies. Now, in order to add one, just go ahead over to the drop down right here besides invite client users. Okay, add in a customer. Now the customer name, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and add in answer ASAP. Okay, this is a business, the currency right here. And here we have client user information. Okay, so what you can do is just go ahead and add in the email address of the specific client user and select the projects right here, which this business or client user is tied to. Okay, profile client or client profile, set the client. And add in the web address line right here, and city, country, zip code, and state. And once that's done, just add. Okay, let's say, for example, that you already have the business right here or company, but it doesn't have a client user. So the way to add one is just go ahead over to the list view right here, click on it, and select grid view. Now you're going to find these icons. Okay, this one right here, invite client user. So just click on it. Enter the email ID of the specific client user. All right. And once that's done, add in the rate per hour, cost per hour, if you want to, and then just click on invite. So that's failed right here because this is my own email. Okay. Yours will be different. So just go ahead and click on OK. And once that's done, the company right here will have its own client user. Okay. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.